Are you ready to discover the transformative power of olive oil? Get ready to embark on a journey that will revolutionize your cooking, boost your health, and enhance your beauty. Buckle up and join us as we uncover the secrets of this extraordinary elixir that will leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. So, are you ready to unleash the magic of olive oil? Let's dive in. Heart health. Olive oil's impact on heart health is worth emphasizing. The high content of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, in olive oil has been associated with various cardiovascular benefits. Consuming olive oil as a replacement for unhealthy fats, such as saturated and trans fats, can help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while increasing HDL, good, cholesterol levels. This favorable lipid profile contributes to reduced risk factors for heart disease, including lower blood pressure and improved endothelial function. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil's polyphenols help protect against the development of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by plaque buildup in the arteries. Regular consumption of olive oil as part of a heart-healthy diet has been linked to a decreased risk of heart disease and improved overall cardiovascular well-being. Antioxidant properties. The antioxidant properties of olive oil make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Olive oil contains various antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants work to neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. The polyphenols in olive oil, such as hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein, have been found to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Regular consumption of olive oil can help protect cells from oxidative damage, promote overall well-being, and potentially reduce the risk of age-related diseases associated with oxidative stress. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil's polyphenols may contribute to a healthier inflammatory response in the body, further supporting overall health and wellness. Anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory effects make it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. The polyphenols present in olive oil, such as oleocanthal, have been found to exhibit anti-inflammatory properties similar to nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. These polyphenols help reduce the production of pro-inflammatory substances in the body, thereby potentially mitigating chronic inflammation, which is associated with various health conditions including cardiovascular disease, arthritis, and certain types of cancer. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you may help modulate the body's inflammatory response and promote a healthier inflammatory balance. It's important to note that chronic inflammation is a complex issue, and while olive oil can be a beneficial component of an anti-inflammatory diet, it should be complemented with an overall healthy lifestyle that includes a varied and balanced diet, regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep. Weight management. Olive oil can be beneficial for weight management and maintaining a healthy body weight. Despite being a calorie-dense fat, the monounsaturated fats found in olive oil have been shown to promote feelings of satiety and increase fullness. When used in moderation and as a replacement for less healthy fats, olive oil can contribute to a balanced diet and support weight management efforts. Additionally, the consumption of olive oil has been associated with a lower risk of obesity. Including olive oil in meals may help regulate appetite, reduce snacking, and improve portion control. It's important to note that while olive oil can be a valuable part of a weight management plan, it should be consumed mindfully as part of an overall healthy and balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods and regular physical activity. Diabetes management. Olive oil consumption has been associated with improved blood sugar control and diabetes management. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. This can be beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Studies have shown that incorporating olive oil into the diet may help lower fasting blood sugar levels, improve glycemic control, and decrease the risk of developing diabetes. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in olive oil, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, may provide additional protection against oxidative stress and inflammation, which are often elevated in individuals with diabetes. Digestive health. Olive oil can contribute to digestive health and promote a healthy digestive system. The mild laxative effect of olive oil can help prevent constipation by lubricating the digestive tract and promoting regular bowel movements. Consuming olive oil in moderation as part of a balanced diet may also support overall gut health. Olive oil has been found to have potential anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe inflammation in the digestive system. It may also contribute to a healthy gut microbiota by providing prebiotic benefits, which support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats in olive oil can aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and other nutrients, promoting their bioavailability for the body. Skin health. Olive oil offers numerous benefits for skin health. Its moisturizing properties help to hydrate and nourish the skin, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with dry or dehydrated skin. The antioxidants present in olive oil, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, help protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and skin damage. Olive oil can also aid in maintaining skin elasticity and promoting a smoother, more supple complexion. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil may help soothe skin irritation and reduce redness. It can be used topically as a natural moisturizer, in DIY skincare recipes, or as an ingredient in skincare products. However, it's important to note that everyone's skin is unique, and some individuals may be more sensitive to olive oil. It's recommended to perform a patch test before using it on larger areas of the skin and discontinue use if any adverse reactions occur. Hair care. Olive oil can be beneficial for hair care and promote overall hair health. Its conditioning properties help to moisturize and nourish the hair strands, making them softer, smoother, and more manageable. Applying olive oil to the hair can help reduce frizz, add shine, and improve the overall texture of the hair. It can also help prevent split ends and breakage by providing a protective coating to the hair shaft. Additionally, olive oil has been used to address scalp issues such as dandruff, dryness, and itchiness. Its moisturizing and antimicrobial properties can help soothe the scalp and maintain a healthier environment for hair growth. Massaging warm olive oil into the scalp can also help stimulate blood circulation, promoting hair follicle health and potentially supporting hair growth. And that brings us to the end of this eye-opening exploration of the wonders of olive oil. We hope you've been inspired to incorporate this incredible elixir into your daily life and experience its countless benefits. Whether you're looking to elevate your culinary creations, support your heart health, enhance your skincare routine, or nourish your hair, olive oil has proven to be a true game changer. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content, and share this video with fellow olive oil enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful and enriching journey. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant, and keep embracing the magic of olive oil.